Hi guys, Becki-licious here. Tonight we're going to try a fun new appetizer recipe. They are called little taco dippers. So let's give it a shot. All right, so we're going to get started on these little taco dippers. Super simple, okay? We've got some shredded chicken, got some refried beans. Like I said, when I saw this recipe, I thought, because I've seen these before, I'm sure you have too. They've got them like at Costco and Sam's. It's a big package and they're just these itty bitty little tacos. And I thought, I've always loved them. So when I saw the recipe, I thought, we could make that. That seems easy. So I got a can of green chilies, drained, some cheese, and then we're gonna add a little bit of lime juice and a little bit of salt. Okay. I've also got the oven is already preheated to 450. Let's do a little bit of salt. Okay, so let's get this mixed up. So we've got these all mixed up. I've already got my tortillas warmed up. And let me show you what I did with these. I just regular corn tortillas, my handy dandy little cookie cutter, if you will. And and that's it, because we wanted the perfect size. So that's what I did. And these ones, of course, have been here heated up a little bit. Threw them in the microwave, so they're a little heated up. So now all we're going to do is we're going to build these. Super simple. Teaspoon in here. Throw that puppy in there, kind of spread it around. And look at that. And that's it. That's it. So we're gonna do this until all of these tortillas are done, and then we're gonna throw these in the oven. All right, we've got these all done up and they're ready to go in the oven. They're gonna go in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. So let's go ahead and get doing that. But before I forget, don't forget, like and subscribe. Definitely share with your friends. And as always, click on that link tree to see some other fun stuff. All right? All right, let's get these in the oven. 15 to 20 minutes. Catch you back here. Okay. These have been in for about 15 minutes. So we're gonna plate them up and then we're gonna give them a shot. So here we go. Here's our little taco dippers. I think they came out not too shabby and they taste absolutely amazing. Of course, I added some cheese sauce to the side because, you know, you can't go wrong with dipping your little tacos in cheese sauce, can you? So there we go. Another fun adventure. I hope you guys had fun. I know I did. I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Bye.